In this video, I'm going to explain question set 27. There are 5 questions. The first question is, what is the number of students studying in class A? So to get the number of students, select, I'm going to use the count keyword, count from index number from student table, inner join the class table on student dot student table class id is equals to class table id, where class name is equals to 11a. So the answer is 4. There are 4 students. The next question is the second one. Find the number of students who scored between 40 and 90 marks in all subjects in the first term examination. So for this, select count from index student, index number from student exam mark record, inner join with the exam term table on check student exam mark record table exam term id is equals to exam table id, where term name is equals to first term and the mark has to be between these two values. So mark is between 40 and 90. The answer is 90. The question is, find the what is the number of students appearing in the subject of science in the second term examination out of the students studying in all classes in grade 11. So for this, select count, and we are going to use a case statement, case when subject name is equals to science, then I want the student index number, and end the case statement, and I want this results as student science students. So this is case statement is similar to the if statement. So in here what this means is case when, so if the subject the case when subject name is equals to science. So if this is equals to science, subject name is equal to science, then get me the student index number, and n means end the case statement from here, and I want this results as science students. So and then comma count, I have to get the index number, but in here I'm going to use the distinct keyword. Distinct keyword means it gives us different values. So if there are in a table sometimes we get duplicate records. So if we use the distinct keyword, it will only give us different values. So in here, distinct index number from student exam mark record table, and inner join. The first inner join is with the student table on student exam mark record dot student index number is equals to student table index number, and next inner join is with the class yes, the class. So class on class. So on select on student dot class id is equal to class dot class id, and again inner join with the exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals to exam term table dot term id. And next we want the inner join is with the subject class. So subject on student exam mark record dot subject id equal to subject dot subject id, and where the subject name is science second term. So subject name is equals to science. We don't need the subject name because I have given it here, so only we need exam term name is second term. So the answer is this. So this is the answer for the third question, and in here I think we don't need this class table as well, so I will remove the class table as well. I think we get the same results. Yes, so I remove the class table and still we got the same results. The fourth question is find the following details of 11 A students who scored more than 60 marks in mathematics, 60 marks in mathematics in the second term examination. So select the index number. I have to select the first name and the last name. First name, last name, and the mark and the date of examination. So exam date from student exam mark record, and inner join. First I'm going to inner join with the student table. Student on student check student exam mark record table student id or student index number is equal to student dot index number, and inner join. Next I'm going to inner join the class table inner join on student dot class id is equal to class dot class id, and inner join with the subject table. So inner join on student exam mark record dot subject id is equals to subject dot subject id, and inner join exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term table id, where class name is 11A, and marks has to be more than 60, and the subject name is equals to mathematics, and the term name is second term. So we got two records. First is Samantha Moses and the second one is Dylan Vijayawardhana. So this is the answer for the fourth question. The fifth one is the last one. Find the number of students in class 11A who scored more than 60 marks in the science subject in the second next term examination. So we have to find the number of students. For that, select count index number from student index number from student exam mark record, inner join with subject table on student exam mark record dot subject id equals to student table, subject table, subject table id, and inner join exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term id is equals to exam term table dot term id, where the subject is science subject, mark has to be greater than 60, and term name is second term. So the answer is also the class. So here I forgot to give the class. So in here, inner join, I have to join the student table as well to get the class table. So inner join, student from on student exam mark record dot student index number is equals to student dot index number, and inner join the class on if student table dot class id is equals to class id, then and class name is equals to 11A. So this is the correct answer, the 3 students. So this is all for this questionnaire. Thank you for watching.